Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT error of unusual activity has been detected from your device. You don't need to worry, you haven't done anything incriminating. Well, maybe you have, but I can't prove that. But this is a common error and there's a couple of ways to get around it. Now, the first thing I want you to do is either in the top right or the bottom left, depending on which version of ChatGPT you're using. Sometimes it moves around. I want you to click on your profile and then click log out. And once you've done that, all you need to do is log back in. If you are logged in on multiple devices, so let's say that you have the same account for your phone and your PC, or maybe you even have a laptop or an iPad logged in as well, I want you to log out of every single device that isn't your primary device. So if you're wanting to work on your PC or you're wanting to work on your mobile device, just log out of everything else and then wait around 1 minute before you try to do anything again. The next thing I want you to do is in the top right, you'll have these three lines or three dots, depending on what browser you're using. But basically, it opens up all of these options here. What you need to do is select a new private window and head on back over to ChatGPT and log in again using this private window, or it also could be called an incognito window, and then try that. If you're still experiencing problems, the next thing you want to do is, depending on the browser you're using, for me, it's this icon here, but basically you want to look for extensions and then you want to select manage extensions. Here, I'd suggest turning off every single extension you have. Obviously, for me, I don't have many extensions here because I'm using Brave, which has a lot of inbuilt features. But if you're using Chrome or Firefox, it's quite likely that you have a few different extensions or even some old extensions that could be causing some conflicting issues. And my final recommendations, if none of this has worked, is if you're using the mobile app, so if you're using the app version of ChatGPT rather than the browser version, I would recommend deleting it fully and then re-downloading it. Obviously, don't worry about losing out on any of your data. Everything is saved within your account. So as soon as you log back in, you get all of your chats back. And finally, I would make a brand new chat. So if you have some specific things that you're trying to work on, all you do is just copy your previous conversation and paste it into a new chat and then ask the question or get it to do the thing that you're wanting it to do, but in a brand new chat. Sometimes that fixes a lot of these issues as well. And you have to treat every single chat as its own instance. And sometimes a single instance can just get corrupted or loop or get confused, and just making a new one just starts fresh, basically. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.